Hello guys and girls, welcome back to this page, which is going to be my uh, I just try to do something big, something different for my just improvement, which is going to be the improvement that I just do have to going to do on my psychology and my technical based on the trading styles that I've been using for the past 2 to 3 years back. So it's actually something that I do actually fight with, which is I'm going to share with every single thing that I just been discovered through the fast from the beginning of July till this day, which is today is um, 20 of July 2024, which is 3 p.m. It's Sunday afternoon. So I'm just sitting here in front of my computer trying to observe what is just been happening and what I've been missing and what I need to improve and what I need to actually take away from the market from my psychology based on the trading style that I've just been using. So to be fair with you and to be honest with you, a lot of things just happen through the first 3 weeks of July that we were into. So if you check out this is the Monday, 1st July 2024, which is the starting point of this candlesticks, starting the beginning of July, starting point of the beginning of July, which is this candlesticks here that you just seen right here. So I'm just going to analyze the 5 days for the first weeks of July that was just been happening. I'm just going to put a candle on just Friday. I'll let it be here. So it's going to be this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. Yeah, it's going to be 5 days I'm going to be observed, which is something that I've been missing, and something that I'm just going to take improve based on my training styles that I just really have to improve in order for me to succeed in this game of trading. So from the beginning of July, first day of July, which is Monday, I just actually analyze my chart, which is shows you the M15 on a 4H time frame. We actually broken structure. We actually the price action of the market is actually being bearishness, lower highs, lower lows on 4H time frame. You will see how I mark out this annotation with M4H time frame. You see, we just pull back in 4H time frame and we broken this again. We fall back here and we broken again. This is the 4H time frame structure we marked out. So if we look at the current price and the current order flow of the market after we see in this break of market structure to the upside, what do we expect it? We do expect it to see the market mitigated at least 50% of the leg that was just causing this BMS to the top side, which is BMS 4H BMS here. So I just marked out this supply, which is maybe the last day of 2020 June on oh my god, who's been calling me? So I'm sorry. So I just marked out this supply, which is maybe Tuesday or Thursday, 27th of June. So we see the reaction, but we didn't take out this week low. So that means the market actually need to attack some buy side liquidity, which is this area, because we have these tops when supply at the extremes, when extreme leg of the zone, which is going to be the 4H, which is was being the 4H leg, is going to which is the 4H leg that was just a price action took out this low. So this is zones that I just look out, and this is the zone that I have a high probable scenario that the market is actually going to be touching before the market's actually driving to broken this previous low, 4H low. So so for me to analyze the market, I always look at the bigger picture. Oh, it's okay. I always look at the bigger picture, which is the bigger picture of my trading styles is 4H time frame. So then I look at the mid time frame, which is M15 time frame, to see if I have the intention of the market on a 4 hour time frame is going to reverse from the zones that I do expect it to see a reaction at, just like that one or like this one. So I'm going to monitor the M15 time frame to see the market shift, or to see the market trend, to see the current order flow of the market, to see on the M15 time frame what is happening, what is going on. So from that moment I just realized that the market, from that moment I just come into realization of this zone is going to be valid or not valid. So this is the one of powerful time frame that I've just been using for the past couple years back. Yeah. So we do see the mitigation after we've seen this buy side taken out. So I just told myself that maybe I took this trade. It's just this trade is just ended up a break-even trade for me. Yeah, from the first day of June, because we took out these previous days and we took out the previous structure. So after we seen bunch of mal or bunch and we see the mitigation of this for H supply. So after we seen all of this, we took out the previous days highs, which is act as a buy side liquidity, which is here. Bismillah, which is here. So we took out the previous external and internal high. So what do we expect the market to see at this current price action? With this current price action that we just have, this massive push candlesticks that causes this buy side liquidation grab, what do we expect? We expected to see the market shift, the market retraces. That is what we, so I just follow the current order flow of the market. So the reason why I set my TV at this 3R is just this demand. Yeah, the money, this demand actually has to be mitigated in order for the market to continually move, or it mitigated this FVG whatever day. So I just mark what this trade ended up break-even trade, so no worry, which is counter trend for me. But the 4-hour time frame is a pro trend. But in order for me to confirm the price of counter pro trend on the M15 time frame, it has to broken this. It has to shows me the sign of shift the market structure, which is the 4H time frame and the M15 time frame align all together. So I just took out some break even to on the 1st of July, and then we had a massive news red folder on at 1 p.m., which is New York often. So I didn't actually trade news event. I just let the price do its things. I just close out this trade manually, which is break even trade, nothing, take out some partial, no everything, just let it be. So I just marked out this low resistance run on liquidity to actually see in the market broken this high, this low of the market. So the market did actually broken this, which is here. So but the previous day's structure is actually didn't broken. So that is why you have to actually focus and follow the current order flow of the markets. So after seeing this massive push on this news event on 1 3rd of July, I didn't actually trade news event, as I'm told you. It's just the news event just actually literally create the volatility, not the direction of the market. The market structure king. The market structure is king. The market structure shows you everything you need. So I'm not actually going to be focused on the side of thing that is going to be a massive push or massive push down or up. I just have to follow the current order flow of the market. So after we see the market just after the news volume of the news just came back down a little bit, we see the market shifted from bearish to bullish. So this confirms me that the why this going to be hard for me to say. This confirms me that the market is what the heck is going on. Confirms me that the market is going to continue move to the downside. Yeah, this is exactly what is just happening. Confirms me that the market is going to continue to move to the downside market. So we see the push here, and we see the broken again external break of market structure, and we see the push here. So this entry present around 10 p.m. So it's literally the time that I do go to bed. Yeah, it's 10 p.m. in the night, yeah, like UK time, yeah. It's literally, if you see it, it's 22:30. So we're seeing the mitigation at that time around. So there is no way for me to actually execute the trade. So I just follow my plan. So this actually met the criteria, but the timing of the market is actually something different. So just follow to coming back into the new day on second days of June. We just see in the market broken this, so we do expect to see the market mitigated this M15 supply here, but the market didn't do that, so that it just continue melt the price action down, and it took out previous days low. Yeah, previous days low is going to be here because this is the first day of July, and this is the lowest point that was just been formed throughout the day, throughout the first days of July. Yeah, so we took out these days of June, so you see the massive. So I just took out this counter trend, which is the market did not trick me in. If I just yeah, if I just switch out to lower time frame, we will see the market didn't tap me in on this trade, so which is okay for me, but I didn't actually switch it to multiple time frame to see what is just been going on. So I just miss out this trade, so I just waited to see the market mitigated this supply to take out the short position to see the confirmation entry, and but the market didn't show the confirmation entry, and I just waited to see the market mitigated this to continue moves with the current flow of the market, current structure of the market, but the market decided to shift it from bearish to bullish again. This is the shift in market structure, and market decided to shift it from bearish to bullish, so which is okay for me. So which is okay for me. So from that moment, I just come into realization of I just has to slow down. I just has to slow down to wait it and waited to see what the market is going to do next. The market just decided to broken the structure from bearish to bullish. If we look at the 4H time frame, you will see everything that I just literally wanted to show you. I don't know what is happening with my network, just been bugging. What is happening? Okay, the network just disconnect. Let me reconnect it. Yo, as I just do shows you from the beginning of this video, is the current flow of the market on 4-hour time frame is bearish. So I just tried to take the short position from here, but the market didn't say it actually has to attack the buy side liquidity to top it. This is the niche event that I just tells you that the market just been hitting. So the market decided to change from bullish to bearish. So this is the highest point that the market just been from. I just wanted to use this high. So let us move to the M15 time frame to see what I actually really like to show you. Yo, so there's something that I just from day one to day two. There is something that I just actually need to showcase with you guys on the lesson that I just like to share with you. So sometimes you don't need to wait for the market to mitigate your extreme point in order for you to take the entry. You have to monitor as long as you know your directional bias for the day and you know where the market is headed toward to. You literally have to monitor the lower time frame to actually take the continuation entry. So for me, as you guys can see, I actually been focused more on a reversal trend for me. So you see, I took this trend from mitigation of this, which is counter trend, and I just took this trade from the from the broken this structure, that I do have the expectation that the market is going to mitigate it, this and this, so which is the counter trend. This is counter trend, but if I took this entry, it's going to be the flow trend. Well, I didn't see the confirmation entry. So if I monitor the lower time frame, let me take out this. If I monitor the lower time frame around this time, I will literally spot a lot of entry from here. I will spot a lot of entry on a lower time frame, which is going to be the M3 or M1. I will spot the low entry continuation entry. I ignore the continuation entry for it's actually my problem. So it's actually my problem. I ignore the continuation entry. I can support a lot of entry around this time if I just been more focused on. And here, if I continue to monitor the price action here, I will continue. I will probably spotted a lot of entry here. I don't know how long it's going to take me to reach out this, but if I continue, so I just move out this break even too quickly, because if we check out the M5 time frame, it's just the market shows you the sign like this on a 4HM on the, and this is the M15 time frame. We see the market just broken this, so from the mitigation of this on the M5 time frame, I just took out the entry. So what do we expect to see the market? We expected to see the market mitigate and continue till further notice. So I just ignore this move. So with this move, it just takes me out at break even. So if I let it be, I will probably going to be close out with some positions around this time. So I just ignore it. So I just have to be more focused, to be open mind, to support the continuation entry, not the if I miss this one, miss this extreme entry. So I just do have to focus on a, since the market move in flow and I know where the market is headed toward to, so I just have to follow with the current or the flow of the market. This is my problem from day 1 to day 2, and I just have to have my psychology in checks. I just have to, if I really needed to see the change. So let's move out to the day 3. So as you guys see, the market actually just came back here after we seen this external BMS shift on M15 time frame. External BMS shift on M15 time frame, we do see the market fall back here, and we see the market fall back here, broken again, and we see the mitigation at this demand that causes this BMS to the top side. It causes BMS to the top side, like we see the mitigation. We expect to see the market just did like that. So this entry was just present at the time, which is 10 p.m. 10 p.m., which is the time that I used to go to sleep. So there is no way for me to actually take that entry. You see, driven forces. Oh my God! So twice time the market did present perfect entry around us at the same time, which is 10 p.m. and now 10 p.m. There is something else with this 10 p.m. I just do have to dig a little bit into it. So coming out into a London session often, which is Frankfurt often, we just mitigated after we see the market broken. This we mitigated, we broken this again. So let me mark it out. High, low, high, low. So lowest point high, low, high. The market mitigate this. So I did actually not in front of the chart at that time on Wednesday 2020, Wednesday 3 of July 22. I'm not actively at the price here till London offer, which is 8 a.m. So if I was the present at that time, I'm literally going to take the position at this time to take out this high, which is act as a Asian high as previous structural high. I'm not active at that time, so I missed this entry. So at that day, if I am continually monitor the price action, I am literally going to take some long position because of why, maybe some longs and short position, because I do expect to see the market mitigated at least this demand or this break a block. Well, you see the market just mitigated this break of block and then B block, and then the market just decided to continue to move. Yeah, if I do pay more attention on a lower time frame, I am literally going to take out some position from here. So you see, my mind is actually folded, is blinded at whole of these days. I'm blinded. I don't know what is just happening. So I'm actually has to figure out what is happening. So you see the market just mitigated this breaker blow with this weak rejection. Maybe I might take some long position on a lower time frame like M1 or M15. To maybe 6 or 7 fifths SO. Once the market broken this, so we do or expected the market to mitigate this, so I'm just has to 3R at minimum. Yeah, the market hit 3R at minimum if I'm actively focused here. So I do have to pay more attention on the charts, to be present on the chart, to actually block out all the noise and just focus. That is actually what I'm going to do. So in the meantime, to that day, which is almost 4 p.m. I was at work, so at that time, so I just supported this entry with my phone. So I didn't actually take out this. This makes sense, which is counter trend, but we are in a heavily bullish, so it's a risky trade to take out this also. So, so at that day, I didn't actually wake up. I just miss out this entry and this entry. I just don't know what is happening. I just didn't wake up at that moment, at that day, coming out to Friday, I still didn't take any entry. I didn't actually wake up on time, so I do have to be more serious with my trading. In order for me to succeed in this game, I have to show up every single day. If I show up every single day, I will never miss my lucky day. I don't know when the lucky day is going to be present. So if I'm literally broken, mitigate. Maybe this is going to be the entry, and I spotted this continuation entry on that. This is the new 7, which is I think Friday NFE. So this is the continuation entry that I do actually supported through my phone, but I didn't take it. I didn't take them, to be fair. But this entry just was present around this time, so I don't know. So the whole week of June, first week of June, I didn't execute any entry. I don't know what is just happening. I didn't execute any entry. So let me see. For the first week, I didn't take any entry. So let's look at the next one, second week and third week of July. So as I'm recording this, so now the time that I just take to record this is actually 23 minutes and 53 seconds. So if I said I'm going to record the second week and third week of July, it's going to be like an hour. I don't want to do this because I'm tired. I'm really tired. So the second week of July didn't take any entry. Actually, I didn't take any entry. The second and third, I take some entries, but it's just ended up missing entry, or it just ended up losing. Not losing. I didn't lose. I lose. Did I take entry that I just lost? Hit my asshole based on my criteria? No. It's just missing entry or break even trade. This is all what I've just been looking back to back. So first week of July and second and third, I didn't actually make any money. Oh my god. So let's see how the end of the July is going to be. So it's just the entry that I, some days I did show up, some days I didn't know, I did not show up. This is how it's actually been throughout the first weeks of July. The second and third week of July, some days I do show up, some days I didn't show up, some days I miss my entries, some days I break an even trade. So that is how it's literally been moving. So from here we are in 18 days of this month. So it's actually something. So I'm trying my best, inshallah, every single week, which is I'm trying my best every single week to do a video breakdown of the week. What is just happening with me, what is just happening with my psychology, which kind of entry did I take that met my criteria, which stupid entry did I take that it didn't met my criteria. So I'm trying my best as hard as I can to do this every single weekend. Maybe the Friday nights or the Saturday nights or Sunday nights. Maybe I'll try my best, inshallah, till the end of this year. So I just want to build the momentum. I just want to build discipline within myself. I just want to build that. So so I definitely have to do this. So take you. I definitely have to do this. Yeah. So yeah, peace out, guys. If you make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Yeah. Let's see what the next week is going to be. So the next week,